Oftentimes people think of chiropractic as popping bones or being very aggressive to the spine. Well, in essence, there's other options out there, such as this tool here we call the arthro-stim. Arthro means joint, stim, stimulator. This delivers 6 impulses every second. So for example, I can take the lower back and we can get into areas that are very stuck, and we can increase movement by simply allowing the machine to open up the joints. I can create flexibility at the same time. We can switch adapters and go with what's called the cervical or the neck tip, and we can create nice arching movements to the spine by opening up the spine left and right, side to side. We can come down into each individual segment, and we can break through any fixations that might be present. Oftentimes with kids, with those that have suffered traumas like car accidents, slips and falls, the arthrostim is definitely the chiropractic choice of adjustments.